going to show you how to change out your key fob from the original to aftermarket wooden handmade key fob. So you can go from looking from this, so your key fob could look like that. They make them for BMWs, Mercedes, pretty much of your cars has a smart key entry, meaning that you do not need a key to turn on your vehicle like this one right here. So if your car does not need a key or for you to push in the key fob into the car to turn it on, pretty much you will be able to buy one of these. So just take that into consideration. So pretty much on this car, you would just have to have the key, this key fob in your pocket in the car. You can turn it on. You have to be within like 15 feet of the vehicle. So that's just to clarify that. So I'm gonna just swap out the insides of this key onto this one. So I'm just gonna show you. Sit back and relax and watch the video. So to clarify something on this key fob shell, you will not be using the spare key that's in here. So just take that into consideration. You're just gonna have the internal electronics in this one, but you're not gonna have this spare key right here. So just remember that if you're looking into purchasing this key shell. It's for looks. It gives it a nice little wooden look. So to remove all the motherboard electronics, you just have to push underneath, push one of the buttons, and it'll pop right out. Can set the key back into place. So it has 3 slots and a little tab right here. So when you close it up, there's only one way to closing it. There's no wrong way to doing it. So you won't be able to close it this way. will not let you. So if you want yours to be black, the ones that come with it are silver, and then these ones are black. I'm gonna use the black ones instead of the silver ones, so you can see how it looks like. That rubber piece, and then in here it has a little slot for it. I'm just gonna push it in there, see how it fits. Let's see how this inside fits right here. Take this off. I don't think this is gonna fit in there. So let's see if this light blinks. Fits in here nice and snug. I guess we didn't need this, so we'll get this, we'll throw it in this key. So this is how it looks like in close-up. Comes next is this ring right here, or this frame. Now it comes the frame for it. The frame will go right here. Silver frame. Then we'll throw the key cover over it. So this is how it looks. and these buttons, they feel how they need to be feeling. When you push down on it, it feels like a button. It pushes right back up. The whole button. Everything works smoothly. So now let's put the screw back in there. Okay, now this is how it looks like with the black screws. I like it with the black screws. It looks a little more decent. So there's the back of it, there's the bottom of it, there's the top, and then there's the front of it. So to get your keyring locked in place, so this is the end result. So here's the key, push is nice, the whole button. There's the little leather connector, connects to here, connects to there. And what this is, you just grab a little bit of this oil. It's just to maintain your wood. It's just to keep it nice and moist, because this is made from real wood. I believe they said some type of oil, olive oil or something. This is how you replace your key fob shell. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you. And if you guys are interested in getting a key fob like this, I will have a link down below where you can find the company that makes this key fob.